great. Best finish of the pro class I've been in.
Heck yeah.
It was awesome. It was really fast, but it was fun.
Yeah.
Come on, buddy. Come on.
Ready to roll?
Hell yeah. Should be a good one. So close to home, looks rocky, so see if I can last the 3 hours.
Why do you gotta keep banging rotors? He doesn't go around stuff.
I haven't looked at much. Just a little after the start. It's pretty good. A little rocky, a little rooty. Should be fun. Yeah, it was tough to come back through the dust and get around the lappers and stuff. With the field sections were brutal, but the woods was a lot of fun. It was a lot more like home. I actually enjoyed the track a lot.
Dusty. It was pretty dusty. But I finished and I think I got 8th, so maybe 16th overall, so I'm happy with it. It's definitely my best finish of the year for what I've been doing. So I'll take it. I'll be at Snowshoe to try to better it. So.
I don't know. It was rough. Just, I don't know, just tried to get through it. I've been pretty sick since Monday and
So I just wasn't even sure if I was gonna race, but just came out and gave it a try and just did as good as I could. I just felt like cloudy, so that was as fast as I could go by the trees. I don't know.